Finding inverses of functions algebraically, a la Shmoop. Alright, if you're not the biggest fan of functions, well, maybe you'll have the opposite feeling about their inverses. Well, because an inverse is basically the opposite of an original function. While the function might have an input x and an output y, that function's inverse would have an output value x for an input value y. Okay, so how would we find one of these things algebraically? Well, let's say we've got the function y equals 3x minus 7. Well, the easiest way to find the inverse is to take this equation, get x all by itself, then pull the old switcheroo on x and y.
Hello.
So we'd add 7 to both sides to get y plus 7 equals 3x. Then divide both sides by 3 to get x equals y plus 7. Put it all over 3. And finally replace the x with y and the y with x to get y equals x plus 7 all over 3. And there's our inverse of the original function. We can test it out by plugging in some values. For example, if in the original function we plug in 3 for x, y would come out to 2. If our inverse is accurate, we should be able to plug in 2 for x and get 3 for y. Well, things might get a little hairy when you're dealing with more complicated functions, but the same basic principle works. Solve for x and then switch the places of x and y. Piece of cake.
Yeah!
What did the buffalo say to his son as he left for school?
Bye, son. Okay, bad joke, but if you survived it, how about clicking the subscribe button below? And if you're looking for more jokes from yours truly, why not check out our website at www.shmoop.com. And if you want to get updates on what's new, well, check us out on Facebook and Twitter too. Please check our Facebook and Twitter pages, please.